At Mercury Adhesives, we're proud to call Georgia home. From right here in the United States, we've built our company on one simple principle: deliver premium products backed by exceptional customer service. Mercury Adhesives is a veteran-owned American company. We believe integrity matters. Every customer deserves honest service. Every order deserves our full attention. And every bottle we sell must meet the highest standards. Whether you're a woodworker, pen turner, knife maker, leather worker, archer, taxidermist, or model builder, Mercury Adhesives has the right adhesive for the job. Our philosophy is simple: professional-grade performance without the premium price. We stand behind every bottle we manufacture with one of the strongest guarantees in the industry. If your Mercury adhesive ever goes bad, we'll replace it. No hassle, no excuses. That's our promise. Every Mercury bottle features our triple-sealed, no-clog cap design. The internal pin seals the nozzle, while multiple sealing surfaces help keep air and moisture out. That means cleaner dispensing, less waste, and dependable performance, even after months on your workbench. We're proud to manufacture Mercury Adhesives right here in the United States. Every bottle is quality checked before it reaches your shop, because reliability isn't optional, it's expected. From ultra-thin penetrating formulas to medium, flexible, thick gap-filling adhesives, plus accelerators, debonders, thread lockers, and epoxies, Mercury has a complete system designed to help you build with confidence. Across America, thousands of makers trust Mercury Adhesives every day. From fine woodworking and custom pens to taxidermy, leathercraft, archery, model building, and countless other applications, Mercury products help turn ideas into finished projects. When you choose Mercury Adhesives, you're choosing more than just another bottle of glue. You're choosing premium quality, American manufacturing, innovative packaging, an unconditional lifetime warranty, and a company committed to earning your trust with every order. Mercury Adhesives. Professional-grade performance without the premium price. Visit us today at www.mercuryadhesives.net and discover why more makers are making the switch to Mercury.